Hey guys, it's Gmo. Here I am in Halong Bay, Vietnam on the Athena Cruises for a 2-day, 1-night itinerary through one of the most beautiful places in Vietnam. So in this video, I will detail the itinerary and also a review of this specific cruise so you know everything before you book your trip to this beautiful destination. So let's go. Halong Bay, Vietnam, one of the most beautiful and popular destinations in the entire country. To get to Halong Bay, you first need to fly into Hanoi's Noi International Airport. Hanoi itself is a beautiful city to explore, and the Old Quarter is an amazing place to discover. You should absolutely spend time in Hanoi either after or before your trip to Halong Bay. So let's talk specifically about Halong Bay. There are countless tour companies advertising trips to Halong Bay. For this particular trip, me and a group of friends used the Athena Cruises, which was an all-inclusive trip for 2 days, 1 night in Halong Bay. So I'll go through the details of that trip, including a review of the boat and also the itinerary of what we did during those 2 days. So let's get right into it. We left for Hanoi in a pair of comfortable buses to begin the 2.5-hour drive to Halong Bay. The bus stops at an art gallery along the way for a break and a chance to buy souvenirs. Overall, the bus was very comfortable and the 2.5 hours went by very fast, and it's scenic. You can look outside and see nice views of the Vietnamese countryside. Once we arrived in Halong Bay, we took a ferry to our cruise ship for the next 2 days. We arrive on the boat to a nice welcome from the Athena Cruise staff, and they serve us a buffet breakfast and let us explore the boat as we wait to get our room keys. Here's a short video of the room on the Athena Cruise. Each room comes with a balcony, and it's a comfortable room, definitely enough space for 1 or 2 people. Once we check into our rooms, we have some free time until we embark on our first excursion to Sung Sot Cave, which is Halong's largest and most popular cave. The cave was crowded with lots of tourists, but absolutely impressive and worth the hike through the 2 large caverns. After 20 or 25 minutes, you reach a viewpoint where you can get a nice view of Halong Bay and the surrounding area. After the car tour, we continued on to T-Top Island, a beautiful piece of paradise with a small sandy beach and a peak with a short and sweaty hike to the top. It was the peak of tourist season, so it was very crowded. The beach was very crowded, but the view from the top was worth it. After the trip to T-Top Island, dinner was served and the night was free for us to enjoy the cruise. They offered karaoke and even squid fishing to anyone who was interested. I spent a few hours trying to catch some squid but wasn't able to. Maybe you'll have better luck. The next morning we woke up very early, ate breakfast, and made our way to the last excursion, which is kayaking through Luon Cave. A short tender ride takes you to the dock to pick up your kayak and start the journey. Luon Cave is actually a 100-meter long tunnel that opens up into a beautiful lagoon, and here you can see monkeys, crabs, fish, and oysters hanging around the seaside. After exploring the lagoon for about 40 minutes, we dropped off our kayaks and headed back to our cruise. At this point, we had some time to pack up our things, hand in our keys, and we said goodbye to the wonderful staff at Athena Cruises and went back to the pier to begin our drive back to Hanoi. Overall, it was a great experience on Athena Cruises. The staff was very professional and welcoming. The boat was clean and the food was great. I would definitely recommend this company to anyone who wants to visit Halong Bay. So that brings me to the end of this short video. I really appreciate your time, and please let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and enjoy your trip in Halong Bay.